All right, buckle up because today we're diving headfirst into a story that's straight out of a Hollywood action movie. We're talking about an extreme aerial chase, a secret military base, and a stealth FPV camera drone that stumbled upon something it probably shouldn't have. It all started with a simple mission: get some breathtaking aerial footage. I'm an avid FPV drone enthusiast, and I love capturing the world from a unique perspective. I'd been scouting locations for days looking for the perfect shot. Then I found it a remote, seemingly abandoned area, ripe with potential. Little did I know this was no ordinary location. As my stealth FPV drone, equipped with a high-definition camera, soared through the sky, I began to notice something unusual. There were signs of activity. Freshly laid gravel, areas that looked recently cleared, and what appeared to be heavy-duty security systems. The closer I got, the more apparent. It became that this wasn't an abandoned site at all. My drone, built for speed and stealth, zipped through the air. I maneuvered it, trying to get a better look at what was happening below. Suddenly, alarms blared and the chase was on. Military personnel scrambled, and a swarm of what I believe were interceptor drones launched into the sky. Their mission, to take me down. I was in a full-blown aerial battle. My heart pounded in my chest as I dodged missiles and weaved through the trees. The controls of my FPV drone became an extension of myself, and I used every ounce of skill I had to evade capture. I flew at breakneck speeds, pushing my drone to its absolute limit. The chase led me across treacherous terrain and through dense forests. I could hear the interceptor drones closing in, the sound of their rotors getting louder. But I wasn't giving up. I was determined to capture the truth and show the world what I had discovered. After what felt like an eternity, I managed to shake the interceptors and make my escape. The footage I captured revealed a heavily fortified military base, hidden in plain sight. It was a discovery that would forever change my perspective on the world. The footage is still a bit raw, but it's clear what was captured. This experience was a stark reminder of the power of technology and the importance of questioning what we see. And now I want to share it with you. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, fly safe.